Hey there, welcome to another tutorial from Curateit. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can create some great action-oriented testimonial walls as collections on Curateit. So, if you are watching this to compile all the testimonials in one single place, you are watching the right video. Alright, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, here I am on the Curateit dashboard, and as you can see, I already have logged in to my Curateit account. If you haven't already signed up to Curateit today, the link will be in the description below. Don't forget to also download the Curateit extension from Chrome. All the instructions will be in the description below, so check it out. Alright, once you have created your curated account and this is how your dashboard will look like, you go to the plus icon right here and start with new testimonials collection. Alright, I'll add a simple header and also an icon. It's easier for me. Compilation of testimonials from clients. I will even add some tags so it's easier for me to retrieve these later on. Alright, hit the save button out there, and there you go. This is how your collection will look like. Alright, now it's time to add some gems, which is essentially your testimonials. Alright, so to do this, I'm going to go to add a gem, and I have some written testimonials from different clients I've been working with. Let me add them here. So the first one is from Sarah. I'm going to add it here as a note. Right, I can hit the save and add button, and there you go, it's already added. Let me add the one from John, and I'm going to add that as a gem as well. Don't forget to change this to a note. I'll change the color, and there you are. Finally, I can't miss on the testimonial from Emma. I will also add that as well as a note. Change the color. All right. Now, there you go. It's added. Doesn't it look great? All right. Then I'm going to go to properties and change the wallpaper so the testimonial one looks nice. I think I'm going to go with, let's say, work. All right. I think this wallpaper will make my collection look even better. And then don't forget, you can even add different types of images or videos as your testimonials as well. So this is another testimonial video I wish to add to my collection. So I'll go to add gem and click on video, since this is a video file type, and hit enter. All right, there you go. That's one more. Now, what you can do with this is you can share these testimonials, you can keep adding more gems to it as testimonials, and later on, you can even share this with other clients so they also find it useful. You can go to invite, public, open the public access, and toggle ones that you feel are appropriate for you. Hit the link out here and share this with your prospective clients out there. So don't forget that you can also change how it looks. I'm more of the mood board fan, and there you go. Alright, we hope you liked watching this video. If you have more questions about using Curateit, drop them in the comments below. Do find out all our tutorials from the playlist that will be linked in the description as well. Alright, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Alright, bye.